Congratulations! You're a new homeowner. Owning a home is an exciting milestone, but it also comes with new responsibilities, including protecting your investment with the right insurance coverage. In this video, we'll share some insurance advice for new homeowners. The first step in getting the right insurance coverage for your new home is to talk to an insurance agent. An agent can help you understand your coverage options and recommend a policy that meets your specific needs. Before you speak with an agent, it's a good idea to create a home inventory. This is a detailed list of all the items in your home, along with their value. Creating a home inventory can help you determine how much coverage you need and ensure that you are adequately protected in the event of a loss. When it comes to insurance coverage for your new home, there are several different types of policies to consider. The most common types of coverage include homeowners insurance. This type of policy covers damage to your home and personal property caused by covered perils such as fire, theft, and natural disasters. Flood insurance. Depending on where you live, you may need to purchase a separate flood insurance policy to protect your home from flood damage. Liability insurance. This type of coverage protects you in the event that someone is injured on your property and sues you for damages. It's important to work with your insurance agent to determine the right combination of coverage for your particular situation. Your agent can help you understand the different options and recommend a policy that meets your needs and budget. Another way to protect your home and potentially lower your insurance costs is to install a home security system. Many insurance companies offer discounts for homes with security systems installed, as they are less likely to be targeted by burglars. Finally, it's important to review your insurance policy regularly to ensure that it still meets your needs. As your home and personal property change over time, you may need to adjust your coverage to ensure that you are adequately protected. Owning a home is a big responsibility, but with the right insurance coverage, you can protect your investment and enjoy your new home with peace of mind. By working with an insurance agent, creating a home inventory, and reviewing your coverage regularly, you can ensure that you have the protection you need to make the most of your new home. One important aspect of insurance coverage for new homeowners is understanding the various types of coverage available. As mentioned in the video script, homeowners insurance is the most common type of coverage and typically covers damage to your home and personal property caused by covered perils such as fire, theft, and natural disasters. However, it's important to understand that not all perils are covered, and you may need to purchase additional coverage for specific risks. For example, flood damage is typically not covered by homeowners insurance and requires a separate flood insurance policy. Similarly, earthquake damage is not typically covered by standard homeowners insurance policies and may require a separate earthquake insurance policy. Another important type of coverage to consider is liability insurance. This type of coverage protects you in the event that someone is injured on your property and sues you for damages. Liability insurance can help cover legal fees and damages if you are found liable for the injury. In addition to understanding the types of coverage available, it's also important to work with your insurance agent to determine the right amount of coverage for your specific needs. Your agent can help you assess the value of your home and personal property and recommend a policy that provides adequate coverage. It's also worth noting that insurance costs can vary based on a number of factors, including the age and condition of your home, your location, and your credit score. By working with your insurance agent and taking steps to mitigate risk, such as installing a home security system, you may be able to lower your insurance costs while still maintaining adequate coverage. Overall, insurance coverage is an important consideration for new homeowners. By understanding the different types of coverage available, working with an insurance agent, and reviewing your coverage regularly, you can ensure that you have the protection you need to enjoy your new home with peace of mind. Another important aspect of insurance coverage for new homeowners is understanding the concept of deductibles. A deductible is the amount of money you are responsible for paying before your insurance coverage kicks in. For example, if you have a $1,000 deductible and your home sustains $5,000 worth of damage, you would be responsible for paying the first $1,000, and your insurance coverage would cover the remaining $4,000. When selecting a homeowner's insurance policy, it's important to choose a deductible that you can afford to pay out of pocket if necessary. Generally speaking, higher deductibles result in lower insurance premiums, so you may want to consider a higher deductible if you are comfortable taking on more financial risk in the event of a loss. It's also worth noting that some insurance policies may have separate deductibles for different types of coverage. For example, your homeowner's insurance policy may have a separate deductible for wind or hail damage. It's important to understand these deductibles and how they may impact your out-of-pocket costs in the event of a loss. Another important consideration when it comes to insurance coverage for new homeowners is the importance of regular reviews and updates. As your home and personal property change over time, your insurance coverage needs may change as well. For example, if you purchase expensive jewelry or artwork, you may need to increase your coverage limits to ensure that these items are adequately protected. Similarly, if you make improvements to your home, such as adding a new roof or finishing a basement, you may need to update your coverage to reflect these changes. Regular reviews and updates can help ensure that you have the protection you need to cover your assets and liabilities. Overall, understanding deductibles and the importance of regular reviews and updates is an important aspect of insurance coverage for new homeowners. By working with your insurance agent and staying informed about your coverage options, you can ensure that you have the protection you need to enjoy your new home with peace of mind. Another important aspect of insurance coverage for new homeowners is understanding the potential risks that may not be covered by your policy. For example, standard homeowners insurance policies typically do not cover damage caused by earthquakes, landslides, or sinkholes. If you live in an area that is prone to these types of events, you may need to purchase additional coverage to protect your home and personal property. Similarly, if you operate a business out of your home, you may need to purchase additional coverage to protect your business assets and liabilities. Many homeowners' insurance policies exclude coverage for business-related activities, so it's important to understand your coverage options and ensure that you have adequate protection in place. Another potential risk to consider is the risk of identity theft. While homeowners' insurance policies typically do not cover identity theft, many insurance companies offer identity theft protection as a separate policy or as an add-on to an existing policy. Identity theft protection can help cover the costs associated with restoring your identity and repairing any damage caused by identity theft. Finally, it's important to understand the potential consequences of being underinsured. If you do not have adequate insurance coverage and your home sustains significant damage or loss, you may be responsible for paying a significant portion of the costs out of pocket. This can be financially devastating, and it's important to ensure that you have adequate insurance coverage to protect your assets and liabilities. Overall, understanding potential risks and ensuring that you have adequate insurance coverage is an important aspect of insurance coverage for new homeowners. By working with your insurance agent, understanding your coverage options, and staying informed about potential risks, you can ensure that you have the protection you need to enjoy your new home with peace of mind.